All right, we got babies and babies. We got all kinds of puppy babies. Madison, what do you think of the babies? What do you think of the babies? Oh, look, there's a baby coming to see you. Look, the baby wants to see you. Oh, what do you think of those babies? What do you think of the babies, Maddie? Those are puppies. Those are puppies. What are you doing, Madison? Hi, sweet girl. They're just like you. They want their mama. They want their mama. Just like you. Dreamer, go away. I want to see the babies. She just can't get close enough to him. She's like, look at those puppies. I love the puppies. Dreamer, you're fine. You call Dreamer.
Dreamer, come on.
Oh, look, the little black and white one just loves Madison.
Oh, it does.
Look at that.
Maddie's dog.
Yeah. Maddie, is that going to be your new puppy? Dreamer, go.
Dreamer, come.
Is that going to be your puppy? Is that going to be your puppy? I think so. I think so. Oh, look at those cute little mugs. Oh, look at the cute mugs. Look at the cute mugs. Oh.
Oh, she's nappy. Look at Maddie's smile.
No dog food. Okay, we got to go. We got to pick up the dog food.